sigmas and alphas. Today we are going to make stuff in Figma as I am in Sigma. Okay, let's go. This is an iPhone 16 Pro Max. I don't have it though. So we're gonna start off by making like a login page. You know, like when you log into TikTok or you log into Roblox or something. Yeah, like that. Let's get a background. Okay, by the way, to make this, you guys just need to go here and click your phone. I already clicked the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is a big one. It's the biggest one, I think. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. Okay. So now we need to add like a little color. The color of this. Never mind. This here. Color. What's the color of the Sigma? How do we make it like stroke? What is the outside? Let's do this one. Let's just make it black for now. Like gray. Okay, this kind of looks good. Let's add a very Sigma text. 100. Fade the color. Let's put this in the back. I don't know what the size. So like BSD. Yeah, that's good. My table is color black. Text. There's like 20. Log in. Like that. Yeah. Let's make a. Send this to back. Yeah. Make this color. Log in. That's the login button. Now make another button like this. Maybe this will be the. What should this username? Smaller, so this is gonna be 45. I'm gonna put another text. Yeah. text. Bro, bro, not going here. Wow. This please go text. Oh my god. So just copy this. Then we can add the text box. Like this. It's pretty much what you can do. And you can like download stuff here.
Is this like a keyboard connected to the screen? Keyboard? How do you make the letters?
The letters can be just make the body first.
Save in there.
So the body, just assume
We're gonna save it into then we're gonna go here. And I think we can add it like
the length will be 10.
here.
Because you have to remember the angle, right?
How do we download
Height
this?
is going to be
Yeah, and also I have to add things here. Colorify. You wanna go there? Press this shapes and press add. Let's just add background.
Let's try 5.
okay, and then the weight, the width.
Let's add like a home menu.
Oh yeah,
Your laptop that big. Wait, do you want to make the open laptop or the closed laptop?
Yeah, you can just put it there. And this is basically what you can do. And we can also like add pictures and stuff. There's the font. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Hey Sigmas, I fixed it. So this is the final result. That was just test, and if you fix it, it will look like this. Okay, bye bye.